Juicy ass zone.
Slayer
We gotta
dog.
find juicy ass zone. What we gotta do is you gotta get trash and give it to cats.
Yeah.
And then later you get to date him.
My first map, so don't hate.
Damn.
Oh!
Oh shit!
We got there!
We in there. Here we go. Let's see what we've got here.
That was
The comments we got.
Jazztronauts, Family Guy. Oh no. Oh no.
Ooh, girl. Ooh, girl.
The fuckery they did with the bus.
Oh,
I
no,
don't.
it crashed. Ooh, found anime.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Nice.
Perfect.
Although you can see who's brought in
shit.
the most.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
This is fancy for a Gary's mod thing.
Could
Yeah.
actually snatch you. Oh.
Blew up some of the walls,
Oh.
dude.
Oh, I got it,
Stole
yeah.
the tree. That's a big chunk there.
What do I have?
Ooh.
I have a crate.
Took that water tower.
You've got a prop gun.
Oh, right. Yeah, that
Oh
thing.
shit, we did it. Oh shit,
Hell yeah.
I'm fucking stuck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I stand
Stand
out of
out.
here? I think I'm fucking stuck forever.
Oh no.
Slayer dog though.
Rip
sounds
Slayer
fun.
dog.
Majorly
Get
stuck.
fucking owned.
Hang on, I want to inspect how stuck you are.
Oh, Slayer dog's way out there.
I was way out there. Alright, I forgot there's a
Still
camera.
so many power pylons.
Fucking love the
Charles
jealous.
has a good passed out face.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
It's
The
Ooh,
CP
also I had
Foundation.
I see. Yeah.
an RP. That's
Also have some trash.
I bet we'll find some beer bottles here.
yeah.
Some cars, some document binders. Hell yeah, let's go, baby. Oh god, this one looks fucking awful. I love it.
Oh boy.
Awesome.
Lawyer dog in my crap.
I don't know what to pick.
Am I a good dog?
Wow. Wow.
Okay. No, that's right. I gotta turn back on.
Holy cannoli, you sure aren't, but wow.
Let me see this in third person.
Wow. Whoa.
Am I a good dog?
Wow.
I'm a good dog, right, you guys?
I missed something here.
I'm missing it too.
Oh,
I have not yet loaded in, so I am
Oh, that's a
right
good
there.
dog.
Am I a good dog?
shit.
Oh dear.
Wow.
I'm doing my best.
Whoa! Get a look at that dog. Get a look at that dog.
I need to play a
Well
role
done.
that isn't this. My cool man.
My cool map.
My cool map.
Oh yeah, RP Clubhouse, RP
Clubhouse.
Clubhouse.
Alright.
Let's go,
We'll
baby.
go from one clubhouse to another.
Smash that like button.
Someone's a good Godzilla. That's a good Godzilla.
Goodbye.
Rip.
Goodbye. We gotta find a map that'll have some good chairs, some good beer.
Yeah. He just won.
Whoa.
This one, this one, this one.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. It's gonna be so
I am
small.
super excited by the prospect of this.
Nothing could
Yeah.
possibly go wrong. Nice. There we go.
The comments is
He was a good boy.
I mean, Dio isn't a good boy.
He's a very good boy. Dio did nothing wrong.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, what's going on here? Oh, what the?
Yeah,
is
I want all
this?
these antennas.
I got something.
Wait, what is what?
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa.
That's fine.
Whoop.
I'm fine.
Someone, that was like a freaking no draw volume. Who
Yeah.
the fuck managed that?
What?
The whole floor is made of them.
Oh god.
The secrets are unveiled.
That kind of sucks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought the MS Paint meant it was good.
That usually
I
means
also
things are
thought
good.
that would be a good indicator.
You know, this would be a really good idea for a real bus, just everyone having their own horn. Because what if one passenger sees something that needs to be honked at, and the others don't see it?
It's like, what do you do if you see a dog and you're not driving?
Buses need to get a load of that dog button. You
Yeah.
can press whenever you see a dog.
Yeah.
Oh!
There's a city of some sort.
Sure, let's go, baby.
Alright.
Carl's low gravity.
Come on, more than...
Give us something. Is that Club Solar from back?
Oh, that's a lot of props.
That's
Okay.
a lot of props. That's more than 8
Wait.
props.
Okay, yeah.
Right.
Congrats on having.
Yeah.
Carl, if you're gonna put Carl's low gravity in the map, at least put it into its name or description so we can find the thing.
Yeah, Carl.
And that has.
Whoa.
9
9
shards.
shards, holy canola.
Give me that shit.
Merry fucking Christmas. What the hell am I stealing?
Well, I'm stealing
like
train
that.
tracks. Oh no, there was a train.
For some reason, it's not letting me steal the. What? Did somebody jingle bell? Why am I hearing jingle bells?
Here in Jingle Bells.
Who activated the jingles? Oh no.
Shit.
Santa's
Santa
coming.
found us.
He knows what we've been doing. He sees us when we're sleeping.
We are definitely on the naughty list.
God damn
Your
it.
arms are just way up in the air now.
I see 2 people die and now you're Santa.
Let's see if this works. Hell yeah!
Oh shit, it actually worked.
Yo,
What happened?
we spawned the bus inside the box that you couldn't stand into, and it pushed the shard out.
Nice.
Wow.
G-Mart.
A murder map.
G-Mart might have a lot of things.
Might have some,
For
some
nothing.
beer. Some gas cans. What do we got?
Do we all get credit for the things that
Oh, it's got lots of stuff.
There we go. Now
I
can
was
steal.
looking for a place to hide, and one room was a satanic one. My heart explode.
My heart
Alright,
exploded.
sounds good.
I mean coal.
Oh man, sports!
Ooh, binders. I
You
need
guys, you gotta come to the sports aisle, it's sick.
Ooh,
these. Hold on, I got all
I
the
got all the
binders.
TVs.
There's a lot of dead people here.
Uh-oh.
Did you find Satan?
Yeah, I'm gonna steal Satan. Cool, I stole Satan.
Seems good.
I wish I could steal Satan. Oh,
Whoa, what'd you do?
I'm gonna take this.
You unveiled the no draw.
You what?
It's a big one.
Oh god.
It's a
This is
real
gonna
big
take
one.
even longer than stealing the floor of the store. Alright, everyone go skyward. We need to steal the no draw.
Okay.
It's shaking so much.
Lend me your, lend me your spirit power.
How did you teleport up there?
Stand upwards.
I use bind kill, and then if you just right
Got
click
it.
to the right person, and then left click, you'll spawn on top of them. There it goes.
There it goes.
Goodbye, Sky.
We in there,
Like
or
the
maybe
roof
down.
roof.
It's going up.
Let's see.
All aboard.
Oh, whoops.
I want to do it.
How'd you get in?
If you die, you can go to the trolley.
Oh, you can.
Right, I got there. I just jumped in.
Just jump in.
Big cat.
I'm in.
That cat's going
Help.
nuts. Who needed cars and who needed chairs?
Oh no, where'd I go?
Oh no, Larry Dog.
I want to get a better look at the cat.
Uh-oh. Where'd I go?
Oh. It's
Also,
where
the
juices-
cellist is being very good right now.
Yeah.
Cellist is being
Whoa.
extremely good.
Where's the cellist?
Jealous.
Oh, damn. What the fuck, son?
I forgot I was Dio until Dio showed up in the dialogue.
Cold ship. I actually think this one sounds kind of interesting.
That might
I
actually
might
have
find some good
stuff.
watermelon here.
It might have some stuff on it, yeah.
Might find some bad watermelon here.
Yup.
Mm.
Made it just in time, I think.
Got that shot.
Beautiful crystal. What am I hearing?
Don't worry about it.
What are you doing?
Where?
Whoop.
Oh, that gets rid of the kill plane
You
too.
chose a poor person to warp to.
It's fine.
I found a very safe space for the bus.
That should work just fine. Nice.
I didn't even see it.
There's a theme park. See a
Well, that
burger.
sounds fun.
You think there are watermelons there?
There's definitely a burger there.
Whoa, I'm getting some big errors.
Oh
Shiner.
boy, I love errors.
I have pizza back here, but I can't steal it. What kind of...
Easter
Steal
egg.
pizza.
I can't steal this pizza.
You wouldn't download pizza.
Who would definitely
Okay, I'm on the roller
download
coaster.
pizza? I can download these burgers apparently, but I can't steal the pizza.
I'm stealing all the straights.
Oh shit. I'm gonna steal all the gays.
No, British hat.
Whoa!
Oh,
Goodbye.
I don't know what the fuck just happened.
Did you steal
You
British hat?
deleted me.
I stole
Oh,
the
fucking
ride
God.
as he was on it. So,
oh.
I don't know. I may have just roller coaster tycoon.
Oh wait, don't take those.
take.
We have to get up there first. The spin
Spin
spinner.
spinner.
Where's this spin
No, I missed it. I missed the spin spinner.
Last time
Oh
I
shit,
tried,
this
I got
thing is
deleted.
going. Hell yeah. Oh, go. Oh no.
I'm sure you'll be fine.
No, this is a real roller coaster. Oh no, I fell.
Rip.
Bye.
Come on. Charge that shit up.
Oh no.
You alright? Oh boy.
yeah.
We're good to go. Good to go.
Easy.
I hear the view from the front too. From the
It's
front
perfect.
was Zeus killer. Whoa! Yeah!
Just moving object.
We might all die once it starts. Oh,
It's
yeah.
fine.
It's fine.
It'll be
Good.
fine.
What I
well.
need to do is go to work.
That's a good thing to do.
Yeah, that's sort of thing.
It's a thing that you need to do.
They won't notice if I'm not there.
Yeah, they will. The place will freaking burn to the ground.
No,
The other won't notice I'm not there because it'll be burnt to the ground.
Yeah, okay.
There'll just be nothing there.
it'll be fine. Win-win.